Hi guys, so today we started working on body paragraphs for our literary analysis essay. So I wanted to give you a few reminders to help you along the way and hopefully make this task a little bit easier. So there is an acronym that you can keep in mind to help you remember the three important things that you need to include in this paragraph. That acronym is ACE, A-C-E. So the A stands for answer. That's going to be your topic sentence. Now, you had two options for choosing how you wanted to organize your essay. Some of you decided that you wanted to select one literary element for each paragraph and talk about both texts on turning 10 and 11. Others decided you wanted to do more of a compare and contrast and do one paragraph on 11, another paragraph on turning 10, and then talk about how they are different or similar in your third paragraph. So whatever option you choose, though, you're going to need a topic sentence that makes that clear. The C stands for cite evidence. Remember, we need an actual quote from the text. You also need to remember to include a transition word to introduce your evidence. That could be something like this. In the text, it says, for instance, this is clearly shown in the following lines. It's totally up to you. Then, after you have your evidence, you need to explain why it's important and how it relates back to your thesis statement. We have that purple methods of elaboration sheet that you could use to help if you get stuck there. So, hopefully this is a helpful review and reminder of what you need for your body paragraphs.